Here we will see group box control in Windows application. Group box control provides a convenient way of grouping related controls in an application. Like the form object, the group box control is a container control since it holds other components. Hence, controls placed in a group box will share the same back color, forecolor and font properties. Group box is a frame displayed around a group of controls with a suitable optional title. Basically, group box is used to categorize the related controls in a group. This is the basic layout of a group box. Main use of a group box is to hold a logical group of radio button controls. Radio buttons within a group box control work as a group independent of radio buttons in other group box controls. Radio button on the form and not in a group work as another independent group, that is the form itself a group box by default. Different properties of group box are name, which is used to get or set the name of the control. 3-letter prefix is GRP. Then back color, which is used to get or sets control's background color. Enabled, gets or sets a value indicating whether the control can respond to user interaction. Font, which is used to get or sets font name, style and size of the text displayed on a control. Forecolor is used to get or sets color of a text. Flat style is used to get or sets the flat style appearance of the control. Text property is used to get or sets the string associated with the control. Tab index is used to set the index value of a control within a set of controls within its container. Visible property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control is visible or not. And size property is used to get or sets the height and width of the control. Different methods for group box controls are focus, which is used to set the focus to the control, hide, used to hide the control, and show method displays the control to the user. Events for group box controls are click, which occurs when the control is clicked, got focus, which occurs when the control receives the focus, key press, which occurs when the character or a spacebar or a backspace key is pressed while the control has focus, key down event occurs when the key is pressed while the control has focus, leave event occurs when the input focus leaves the control, and lost focus event occurs when the control loses the focus. Now here we will see group box control. For this we will add a group box. This is the title which appears by default to the group box control. Now we will see the properties, methods and events for a group box. Basically, group box is used to hold all logical controls or related controls. So, if you want to hold here the information about the customer, then the group box name will be GRP CSTINF, where we can add different labels and text box to accept the information about customer name, address, etc. Next property is back color, which is used to set the background color of a group box. So if I select this, it will change the background color. If we add a controls on it, Suppose I will add a label. It will get the background color similar to your group box, since group box is a container control. If I add radio buttons, it will take the background color of your group box. Next is enabled property. If enabled true and if we run it, you can click the radio buttons on it. Or if I will add a text box there, and if I run, you are able to write data in text box. And if the group box controls enabled property is false, and if you run, you are not able to click the radio button, or even you are not able to write any data in a text box. Flat style property is used to change the style of the group box. First is flat, then pop-up, these are the different options. And if we select system, the default group box name is of system color. Next is font. We can change the font. If you change the font of the group box, the controls on it will also change their fonts, since group box is a container control. If you want to change font of an individual control, you select it and then change it. Or by default, it will take the group box controls font. If I change here, the controls font size is changed. Next is 4-color. 4-color property is used to change the font color of the control, or the controls that appeared on the group box control will change the font color. So it will change the font color. Next is text. Text property is used to give the title to your group box. So if you are accepting the customer information, give the title customer information. It will change the title. Next is tab index, which is used to set the control sequence. Here group box tab index is 0, tab index of radio button is 1, radio button 2 is 2, and text box is 3. Next is visible. If visible control is false, group box control is visible, false. Here we will see how radio buttons work on a group box. I have added 2 radio buttons on a group box control, and I will add another 2 radio buttons on a form. And if we execute it, radio buttons on a group box is selected only 1, and radio buttons on the forms are selected only 1. That is, form is a container and group box is also a container. So in a container you can select only one radio button. To write the methods, double click on form to get the coding window, and here with group box name you can use the methods, that is show or hide. You can use the methods with dot. Generally events for group box controls are not used, but to write any event you can select from this event window. You can write any event. You can select any event by double clicking on it. You will get the event here.